So a lot of times people are reaching out to me and y'all don't know how to manage your business credit. A lot of people stop building a business credit and y'all don't know how to keep getting started, how to manage these accounts. So a quick way that I manage all of my business credit accounts, and I'm not talking about business credit cards, not talking about business loans. I'm talking about just accounts that's attached to my EIN only. Only stuff that's attached to my business only, not to me personally. What I normally do is I create an Excel spreadsheet, and on that spreadsheet, I'm going to put who I got approved with on one column. The next column is like when I got approved for them, how much did I get approved for, how much did I use, when is my bill due, is it a net 15, net 30, something like that. I'm gonna write all of that down in my Excel spreadsheet. So whenever it's time for me to pay bills, whoa, don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're gonna be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is gonna take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. All I have to do is go on that spreadsheet and figure out what's due, what I need to pay, how much do I owe, how much do I have left, so I can really manage it a lot easier. A lot of y'all not doing that, and that's why y'all failing that business credit.